One time playing football with my friends, I then collided with an opponent and fell. Oh yes, the collision was so intense that everywhere got blur. Everywhere got blur. And I almost passed out. But as a strong man as I am, I immediately got up probably just to continue playing. But then I heard my friend shout that I should go back on the floor and to gather the momentum in order to what? Probably the stamina in order to come back stronger like never before. It was then explained to me that if I had not go back on the floor, probably lie back on the floor to gather the momentum, the courage, the stamina in order to come back stronger, I could have, either faint at that moment and pass out completely. That really got me. That made me understand that in real life affairs, when we get hit by sudden disaster, incident, unforeseen situation that seems to break us or probably sweep our feet off the ground, we must not immediately try to come back on top and feel like we must rise again, but rather to stay calm and under control, to gather the momentum, the understanding, and all that it takes, the pieces of our life, and put it together. And when we are fully ready, we come back again to become a better version of ourselves. And when we learn this approach to life becomes more easier. As we become more calm, we take control and become the full version of ourselves.